Hi guys, for sure, there's no doubt that Canva.com becomes a crucial tool for everyone who's working on the internet to make money online. Thus, in today's video, I'm going to show you the most popular 10 different ways to make money online through Canva. And now let's begin with the first way quickly, that is print on demand. And if you're not familiar with print on demand, your role on this amazing field lies on making different designs and sell different items including stickers, t-shirts, leggings and so forth, your designs printed on them. Then you would earn royalties and make money online. And of course, there are numerous platforms for print on demand, on top of them Merch by Amazon, Redbubble, TeePublic and so on. Just you can join them for free and make your designs and sell your items. And as for the role of Canva in this amazing print on demand field, here you can use Canva.com in two different ways. The first way, here you can search for different t-shirt designs, or in other words, you can make your designs here on Canva.com. Either you can search for done for you templates by searching for t-shirts, and you can find huge amounts of different done for you templates for designs, as you see, in different niches in different topics, as you see. So all you do, just you can click over one of them and edit just the fonts, edit some colors and so on, and use this design as it is in your platform. The second way to use Canva.com in print on demand business, by making what's so called mockups to promote your designs and your items everywhere, including social media, blogs and so on. So how to do that quickly? Here you can upload your design as a photo, as you see here. Just you can grab the design that you made here on Canva, or you made on external platforms, websites like Photoshop, Creative Fabric and so on. Then you can go up here to these editing tools and head over to edit image, then go to mockups, and here you can get your design on different mockups to promote this product and this design professionally on social media, like for apparel, for prints, smartphones, videos, mugs and so forth. So there are two different ways to make money online and print on demand through Canva.com. And the second field to make money online using Canva, that is selling digital products. Yes, you heard that right. You can make your own digital products here on Canva professionally. For example, this one, flashcards. Here you can get amazing printable digital products here regarding different topics, different themes, as you observe, for kids, children, for adults and so on. Then you can sell these digital products or printable digital products, if to speak, in some different websites like Gumroad, Creative Fabric and so on. Or you can look for something else like tracker templates, as you see, as a digital product that suit different niches, different topics, like for habits, for weight loss, for fitness and so on. Or checklist templates. Here you can find different tasks to be done in a particular purpose, as you observe, that cover and spanning different topics and different interests for your audience. Then here the role of Canva comes up by making your digital products here on Canva and then download them as a PDF standard and sell them as you want everywhere. So here you can make money online making digital products on Canva. The third way to make money online using Canva, of course, is Kindle Amazon or KDP. Here you can make a plethora of different low content books, including this one, planner templates, as you observe. It's the most popular ones for low content books on Amazon. So you can make different ways, different styles, different moods, as you observe, like journals, for example, for agenda, as you see, and so on. Or you can make different coloring books for adults and for kids alike. Here you can find huge amounts of done for you coloring pages to create your own books and sell them later on Amazon KDP, as you see. And the next way to make online through Canva is by working as a freelancer. Here you can just provide some gigs on the most popular freelancing websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and so on, using these services on Canva. For example, you can head over to fiverr.com, and if we look for something like Canva templates, here you can find there are a lot of different freelancers doing well selling these Canva templates and make money online, as you see. So you can actually provide a service of making beautiful Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails, you make different presentations and so on. And of course you can use Canva.com to create all these templates, so your customer use them freely and with high flexibility. So of course you can look for something else like Instagram templates, YouTube thumbnails, presentations, and so on. And apart from different freelancing platforms, of course you can sell your items and your work as a freelancer using different websites like Drupal or Behance, or you can work on LinkedIn and promote your things through Pinterest and Instagram as a freelancer, as I said earlier. And now let's move on to the next way to make money online through Canva, just by creating YouTube videos. Yes, you heard that right. Here you can create and make YouTube videos as you want. Simply head over to the home page of Canva and go to videos section. Then you can find here different formats, including mobile video, Facebook, Instagram Reels, TikTok ones, and so on. And regarding creating YouTube videos, regular videos on YouTube, just head over to these dimensions. And the best part here on Canva regarding creating your YouTube videos, here you can find a huge library of stock videos, stock photos, as you want to create your own videos, faceless YouTube videos. For example, if you have a YouTube channel that is about cat lovers or dogs and so on, just head over to elements and look for something like smiling cats or playing cats and so on, like cats. Okay, then here you can find a set of different categories like graphics, photos, and stock videos to create your own video on YouTube. So you can get them one by one that are relevant to your topic, like this one for example. Okay, and here you can make your first scene on YouTube video as you observe, and so on. Likewise, you can add in this order different scenes, different video clips here from this amazing library. One important thing here on Canva, that is, of course, you can search for different music tracks as a background music in your video and some sound effects. Just you can look for something, just you can select search for mode or emotion, like for happy for example, or cinematic or ambient and so on. Then you can go to audio and you can find a plethora of different music tracks that you can use commercially in your video. Just you can grab one of them like this one here, as you see. And of course, don't forget to edit this audio from these up there editing tools like audio effects, adjust your audio, beat sync, or you can lower this volume or make it higher as you like. And not only that, for making a YouTube video, you can actually here use a magic tool here on Canva. That is, you can use its screen recorder. Yes, screen recorder. So how you can get this amazing tool on Canva? Simply can go to uploads section, and here you can find two options that say upload files and record yourself. So click over it. Then you can find different options, like you can actually show the screen, and apart from the Canva.com, you can just recording anything that run on your desktop, like websites, programs, and so on. Here you can just select camera and screen, and camera only to just recording yourself. So here you can use Canva.com as any editing software out there like Filmora, Premiere Pro, CapCut, and so on. And then the next way to make money online, of course, is making short videos to social media. Go to the section and head over to mobile video, Facebook video, Instagram Reels, and here you can find thousands of done for you templates to create your own short videos for different topics and different themes. And the best part here on Canva, you can find also different trending short videos. So for example, you can search for something like a quiz time. And of course, you can make all these videos with different topics, with different questions and answers using ChatGPT and publish them already on TikTok, Instagram, and so on. Or you can look for something like this or that, as you observe, or quote video. That you can find huge amounts of these quote videos. And of course, you can edit these dimensions to make it a short video or vertical video that are suitable to TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and other social media. And just edit this font, this quote, this background video, and so on. So here on Canva, you can actually make your social media videos like a boss. And now let's move on to the next way to make money online, just by working as an affiliate to Canva.com. Here you can actually promote Canva.com as your own product. And then you can find different requirements to join its affiliate program. Just you have a channel or a social media account that has minimum 5,000 followers or subscribers, and your own content is based on publishing and promoting Canva.com only. Yes, this is the main purpose of joining its affiliate program. Your content is based only and just around Canva.com. And the next way to make money online through Canva.com is using Canva.com in affiliate marketing. And now how you can leverage Canva.com in your affiliate marketing techniques and strategies. There are many ways. Some of them just you can look for something like link in bio. And of course here you can find huge amounts of done for you link in bio templates that you can take as a landing page to promote different affiliate programs, digital products, courses, YouTube videos, and so on, as you see. Then you can take this link of this landing page or this link in bio to speak and insert them in your bio of your Instagram account, Pinterest, TikTok account, and so on, as you see. So here you can find different styles, different themes that suit your task and your topic and your niche. And the next way to use Canva.com in affiliate marketing is by promoting different products using its landing page builder. So how to do that? Just you can simply head over to search bar and look for something else like website. Then you can use all these websites, all these templates to create your own one-page website or landing page to promote a specific product. And the last way to make money online through Canva.com is by joining its Canva contributors to make some graphics, stock videos, stock photos, and sell them to different users. Then you can make money online. And unfortunately, this way is temporarily paused. It would come back sooner. So in today's video, you got to know different ways to make money online through Canva.com. And by the end of the video, thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. See you in the next video.